Hey, this is your Hollywood maintenance. Just wanted to show you this oven. I had to swap it out with this vacant that I have right here so I could look more into it. I'm getting the error code at F9E0. So it says that the wires could be crossed in the text sheet, which I have right here. I'll show you. Which is not the case, because this was working fine. I could see if it was brand new or something like that and they put it in wrong. You see the F9E0 miswired house. Here's everything to look for. So I was actually having a little bit of troubles with this. I tested everything. I took off the back here and I'm getting 240 volts over there. Everything's correct. I checked the terminal block, seeing if anything's miswired. So I started going through all this over here, taking this part. So I put the tape over there. I'm gonna put some new. I'll show you what it's doing. Come over here. She said this didn't happen until she started using the self-clean oven. See? I've tried everything. I've even tried clearing it. I'll show you what I mean. This is how you put it in diagnostics mode. Come over here. Cancel, start. See, it's in test mode. I'm going up to the error code. See, there's the error code. You press start to clear it. Good. So I hit cancel to get out and it automatically goes to that. I was just like stumped. And this door was locked too. So here's the model number, which I'll leave in the link in the description below. Let me cut this back off. So I hate to be stumped. So I looked more into it. I thought I'd check the wiring. I even tried, just in case there's a bad board, I had an extra board, plugged it in, did the same thing. So I know that the old board is good. I tested this, which also belongs to, I think this is the thermistor maybe. And that's good. This is good. Check the switch here, that's good. So I was following like the wires and stuff all the way up. So let me get my light. Like I said, I had this happen once before, not on a stove, but a washer. Whirlpool's known for this, it seems like. So I start taking where these zip ties are. So I looked over here at this zip tie. See that big hole? I'm gonna splice that in right now and see if I have any more errors and go from there. So I'll check a couple other spots too, but I'm pretty confident about this, so let's see. I'll be back. All right, cut off the bad piece. I wire nut it with a ceramic. This is a ceramic wire nut. Now I'm gonna wrap it with some good electrical tape, high heat electrical tape. This does up to like 220 volts or something like that. So I'm gonna wrap it with that and then we're gonna give it a test. See if it starts beeping or not. All right, got this wrapped. I had to wrap it like this. With it sticking out, I couldn't fold it down. There's really not a lot of room, enough wire they give you. I didn't have any more wire. So I had to do what I had to do, so let's give it a shot. Usually it would beep right away. All right. Okay, I believe this is the longest that it stood on. Feeling pretty confident now, like I was saying. It goes Cancel, cancel, start. See, we're in test. And it'll tell you, first one is test mode. See, and it just goes down the line. So we're looking for this one here, 6-1 down, where it says clear, good, so we're looking for good. And there's the codes, and it says it is good. Back to test. All right, and then get out of it. I think we're good. Thanks for watching. Let me know if this was helpful. This took me like a day or two to figure out because I was trying to do work orders and stuff. First, I knew it wasn't the power, but I still checked it back here. It's getting 240 volts. I checked it here. I was getting, from the black and red, I was getting 240. Then I did red and white, and I was getting 120. I did black and white, I was getting 120. I checked this, which I believe is called thermistor. I was good there. I checked the board by swapping it with another. Then I just started looking for the wiring, since it was talking about the wiring on the thing, but it was saying it was miswired. So I was like, miswired? Okay, maybe there's a break. If this is helpful, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.